and our forest department is present here. So we all now will witness the flag off event of Kadamba Bicycle Jata. So with the permission of our Honorable Chairman sir, we'll start sir. Shall we? I request our Manju Kirti sir for flagging of this.
चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, एक पेड़ तुम लगाओ और एक हम, ये अभियान चलाएंगे घर घर जाके हम, मिल जाए हम साथ अगर उज्जवल होगा अपना कल, उत्तम होगा सारा जहां, श्रेष्ठ बनेगा वतन, चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, एक पेड़ तुम लगाओ और एक हम, चलो मिलके चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, एक पेड़ तुम लगाओ और एक हम, ये अभियान चलाएंगे घर घर जाके हम, गुजरात की रक्षा के लिए उठाएंगे हर कदम,
Now we'll start our closing ceremony of Kadamba Cycle Jata. To welcome all of us, I would like to call our Purnima ma'am on the dais. Please ma'am.
A very good morning everyone present here. Nature has been painted for us in final pictures of beauty every day. It is just people fail to see what nature has to offer. It is the reason we have occasions like World Environmental Day to remind us of what we are missing out. Planting a sapling, holding placards, shouting slogans, going on a rally, all of this is definitely something, but not everything. We should be a lot more conscious of kind of environment we are part of and try to make it sustainable. In order to do that, it is not enough to do all just this for a day, but make it our lifestyle. Join it, let us work together to make some real change. We the Kadambians are trying to reach the society and creating the awareness of environment in a different way. Last year, we conducted Fun Run, which was a grand success. And this year, we conducted Cycle Jata. Cycling helps to reduce air and noise pollution, uplift our mind and spirit. It reduces stress and depression. Now, I would like to welcome our chief guest from the Forest Department, Mr. Durgappa Hosmane. I welcome you, sir. Mr. Saraj, I welcome you, sir. And Mr. Dhananjay, I welcome you, sir. And Mr. Manju Kirti, the national level cyclist. Welcome you, sir. And I would like to welcome the pillar of Kadamba, that's our chairman, sir, Mr. Avinash. I welcome you, sir. Our director, ma'am, Mrs. Lata Avinash. I welcome you, ma'am. The person who supports and guides us in all the way, our principal, Vijay Matthew, sir. I welcome you, sir. And last but not the least, my dear kids, I welcome you all for this day. Thank you.
Great day. We had this cycle jata. It was a great successful. Now we'll move to the next proceeding. Behalf of Forest Department, they were very kind enough and they gave us beautiful saplings. When we requested them, they told let all children get one sapling. So all the children, those who have participated in the cycle jata, will be given one sapling. I like to request Durgappa sir to hand over one sapling for our child. Suprit, please come forward and receive a sapling. I like to call all the dignitaries to join for that.
Keepers of the earth, yes we are. Keepers of the night, land and sea. Guarding our forests, saving our planet.
Now I request our teachers to come forward and take one saplings and give it to all the children.
We all need a warmth and the cleanest breeze, but we ruin it all when we burn so much fuel.
Let's save the hills, mountains and plains and lakes.
Plant a tree, recycle waste, go green. Keepers of the earth, yes we are. Keepers of the night, land and sea. Guarding our forests, saving our planet. Keepers of the earth, yes we are.
Plants more trees, we use go green, clean our seas, create a safer earth. Plants more trees, we use go green, clean our seas, create a safer earth.
The tree will give us oxygen and fresh air. So we should not cut the trees and we should not do more pollution.
Now I like to call our chief guest Durgappa sir to speak few words. Please sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕದಂಬ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವ ಪರಿಸರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಜಾಥಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷದಾಯಕ ವಿಚಾರ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇರುವುದೊಂದೇ ಭೂಮಿ, ಆ ಇರುವುದೊಂದೇ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಧುನಿಕ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೌದು, ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳನ್ನುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸೋದಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈ ಪರಿಸರ ರಸಾಯನ ನಾಶ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಉಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವ ಅರಣ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಉಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಾವು ಈಗ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಟ್ಟು ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪರಿಸರ ಉಳಿಸೋಣ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Now children, with us we can see one great personality. He is a national level cyclist also. I'd like to call Mr. Manju Kirti sir. Please address the gathering. Please sir.
ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯ ಬಡಿತ ಇವತ್ತು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಶಿರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕಳೆದ 19 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಶಿರಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿರಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ರಾಜ್ಯ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಆಸೆ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೊರತಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ನನ್ನ ಆಸೆ ಈ ಕದಂಬ ಸ್ಕೂಲರು ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯ ಗರ್ವಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಗೇಮು ಪರಿಸರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿ ಆಗಿರುವುದು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you. We can just observe his emotion. His emotions speak everything than his words. We are very thankful for you. Now, I like to request our Honorable Principal Sir to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Once Gandhiji opined, we have everything for our need, but not for our greed. Honorable Chairman, sir, Director, madam, honorable guests, dear kids, dear teachers and parents, I wish you a very meaningful World Environment Day, which is celebrated on June 5th. The commemoration alone won't make any sense at all there. We have to be in nature. I don't know how many of you have seen a beautiful news recently appeared in the newspaper and the channels. The French people, they have decided to follow a beautiful lifestyle. Walk outside without shoes, that means bootless. Without shoes, without chappals, walk outside. The reason is be in nature, have the touch with nature. As per the study, if you walk half an hour, 1 hour every day without boots, without shoes, without the chappals on the floor, in the ground, it eliminates, it decreases 60 to 70% of our diseases, just like blood pressure, sugar, and a lot of diseases. Even cancer also it can be cured, because our earth is having everything. That natural quality our earth is having, but we are destroying, we are disturbing our earth. Dear children, this Environment Day must be an awareness program for you. You have to keep in mind that we have to love the earth. Once you start loving the earth, we will never destroy that. We will never harm the earth. You should not throw the plastic, other waste materials on the earth as it is there. Keep it in a particular place, and especially our municipality is having a lot of places where the waste bins are kept there, waste are to be disposed of. Just try to keep it there instead of throwing away everywhere on the roadside and all. Especially your house, you start from your house. The cleanliness, the neatness, you start from the house, so that once you what you learn from the house, you will practice it outside. Hope it is a meaningful one. Practice it in life. Keep it as a lifestyle that don't destroy, don't disturb the earth. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your words. Now, behalf of Kadamba family, it's our prime duty to felicitate our dignitaries. Mr. Principal Sir and Chairman Sir for the felicitation. Please, sir. Children, you can see felicitation is for Dhananjay Sir and Basuraj Sir is doing good. Now they are the faculties of our Forest Department. Now felicitation is for Manju Kirti Sir. Give a round of applause, children. Thank you, sir. Now my felicitation is for Durgappa Sir. Please give a round of applause, children.
If the environment is happy, people will laugh and your grief will go away. Srinivas Vishal. A very good morning to one and all present here. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Today it's my privilege to propose vote of thanks on this special event, Kadamba Cycle Jatra. First of all, I start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's event success. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Manju Kirti Sir, national level cyclist, who spent his precious time with us. Thank you, sir. I express express my gratitude towards Forest Department members, Mr. Durgappa sir, thank you sir, Mr. Baswar sir, and Mr. Dhanindra sir for being with us. I thank our chairman sir, Mr. Avinash sir, who always gives us direction and motivation to try new ways to do things better. Thank you sir. I also wish to express my gratitude to the director madam, Mrs. Lata Avinash ma'am, for her enormous encouragement and valuable guidance. Thank you ma'am. I extend my thanks to our beloved principal, Mr. Biju Matthew sir, who inspires us to achieve our best and serves as a pillar of strength. You are truly a great mentor and a guide. Thank you sir. I would like to thank my dear students, the rock star of our school, who made this event happy with their immense performance. Thank you dear kids. Our sincere gratitude goes to all parents and well-wishers for your support and guiding throughout the route. Thank you dear parents. An event cannot happen overnight. Wheels starts rolling around a week ago. It requires planning and a bird eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be supported by a team of very dedicated colleagues. I extend my gratitude to all my dear colleagues for their support. Thank you dear teachers. I thank the police department for their support for this entire event. Finally, I would like to congratulate all the participants of Kadamba Cycle Jata. Congratulations to all of you. Once again, I thank each and everyone for being a part of this event. Thank you.